Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about English, okay? It's about how to make a question from the sentences. You know what? In English there are three sentences. In here I will write it in here. The first one is positive sentences, negative sentences, and then question in here. For example, like this. I am a student here, right? And this is a positive sentences in here, and then negative sentences. uh, I am not student. The difference between positive and negative is that there is not in here. There is not in here. That's mean that the person is not something in here. Just like that. The positive is just like normal one. I am a student. I am a photographer. I like banana. And then, for example, like in here, the example of the negative sentences is just like not. I don't like that. I don't like banana. I don't like sleeping. I'm not student. I'm not lazy. I am many things you can choose. Anyway, how about the question in here? How to make a question from here? Anyway, let's we read this first. First, you have to aware that some pronoun in here must use a be in here. I mean, you cannot use I are a student. It's wrong. I are student. It's very wrong. I is student. Kalian nggak bakal nemu dimanapun. Jadi, this is aturannya ya. Ini aturannya. I am a student. You are. You harus pakai you di mana walaupun satu. Even if it is only one, you have to use are in here. And she, it will use is. He is, it is. Even if it is more than one. Anyway, no, it's a singular. Anyway, this is singular mean one, and then plural mean more than one. See this we kita itu banyak kan berarti. We, you have to use are in here. You tetap are. Singular, plural, you have to use are. Students. What is the difference between that? Look at the noun in here. Kata bendanya di sini. I am a, ada a. A tuh artinya cuma satu. So, and then if it is more than one, you just have to add a student s in here. Still remember the last lesson about the singular and plural, right? And then the b in here, we, kalian nggak bakal bisa pakai they is students, no. You is student, no. Karena ini lebih satu, we have to use are. You are students. They are students. We are students. And I am student. Is just like that. I think you already know about this, right? Let's move on again. This is same, just like in here. I am, he is, we are, just like that. And now back to the topic. How to make a question word from the positive sentences in here. So we know that kalian nggak bakal mungkin pakai I is. Ini salah ya. I are. Ya mungkin I itu pasti ketemu dengan I am. Jadi bagaimana bikin kalimat ininya? Pertanyaannya simple. Kalian ambil be-nya yang di sini ini. Am. And then I, ininya di depan, am-nya di depan ini, and then tulis lagi am I a student. And then setiap kalimat pertanyaan you have to use a question mark, just like this. See this? We already make sentences in here. See that? I am a student. Am I a student? I know I will give you more example of it. He is smart. Just like this. This is positive sentences in here. Jadi saya jelasin lagi ya, ini yang kalau kita bikin kalimat pertanyaan seperti yang ini, kita pakainya itu bukan kalimat yang negatif kayak gini. Nggak bakal kita pakai am I not a student? No, just like that. Kita harus pakai yang positif. I am a student. Jadi kita pakai ini kalau kita membuat kalimat pertanyaan dari bahasa Inggris. Okay? Am I a student? And then another example is this. He is smart. Ya. Jadi kita ambil B-nya yang ada di sini. Is ini. Take this. And then is he smart? And then add question mark. This is done. It's very easy. You just have to take this. Is di depan. Jadi itu become kalimat pertanyaan kayak itu. Ini kalimat biasa kan, yang positif. Terus diambil B-nya he, is-nya itu ke depan. Tarik, diubah aja kayak itu. Kita dapat kalimat pertanyaan. And then another example to make you understand more, we will take a long sentences. I don't like ice cream. Here, nih agak susah nih. Ini kan ada don't ya kan. I don't like ice cream. I don't like an ice cream. Nah, in here, I don't like an ice cream. Okay. I think I will erase this first and end in here karena kalian belum belajar juga kan yang itu. Jadi ini cuma buat contoh aja in here. I don't like ice cream. Just like that. And then bagaimana kita membuat kalimat pertanyaannya in here. Sini. Nah, Sir udah bilang sebelumnya kalau misalnya kalimatnya negatif, kita ubah dulu ini ke kalimat positif. I do like ice cream. I think I will have to no. I will have to write in here again. Just to make it more right in here. I do like an ice cream. Nah, see this? I do like an ice cream. And then I don't like an ice cream in here. We make it become a negative, positive first in here. Positive. This one negative. And then how to make it? You just have to add a do in here. See this? Do I like ice cream? Nih, do I like ice cream? Just like this, the example is very easy. You just have to take this do in here and then take it in the front in here. But I think this is not related because this is very do. We don't use a do yet, so I think I will have to use are first. There are 3 animals. See this? This is a positive one in here. And then we will make a question from here. Kita bakal membuat pertanyaan dari sini. Seperti yang saya bilang, kita ambil B-nya dulu yang ini. Are di sini. Kita taruh depan. Are there. Kan udah di sini kan. Kita ambil ini. We already take this and then we write again there in there. Are there 3 animals? Wait. Animals. And then question mark. Done. Easy, as simple as that. Okay. I think that's all for today. We already learned about how to make question from the positive sentences in here. So there is a rule in here. So you just have to, for example, like we, you will not find we is a student, no, kalian harus pakai are karena lebih dari satu. And then she is, this is one. You are, you walaupun satu atau dua tetap pakai are. Okay. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you learn new thing. Have a nice day then. Goodbye. See you later.